In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail account to your Facebook profile. This process is pretty straightforward and can really enhance your experience by ensuring you have all your contact information integrated seamlessly in one place. Let's dive in. First, we'll need to access Facebook using your computer browser. Open your browser and type in facebook.com into the address bar. After hitting enter, you'll land on the Facebook homepage. Make sure you log in using your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. On the next screen, you're going to look over at the left sidebar. Here you'll notice several options, but our focus is on Accounts Center. Click that link to proceed. This area manages your accounts, and it's where we can dive into personal specifics. In the Accounts Center, you'll see an option called Personal Details. Click on it and then choose Contact Info. This section holds all the contact details associated with your Facebook profile. To add your Gmail, you'll need to click Add New Contact. When you do this, you'll get an option to add new email address. Choose it, and you'll be prompted to type in your Gmail address. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any issues. Once you've inputted your Gmail address, click Next. Facebook will now send a confirmation code to your Gmail. So let's switch over to your Gmail inbox. Look for an email from Facebook. It should contain a code. If you can't find it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just to be sure. Once located, open the email and copy the confirmation code. Now, head back over to Facebook. You should see a field where you can paste the confirmation code. Do so, and then click Confirm. And there you have it. Your Gmail address is now successfully linked to your Facebook account. This integration allows you to receive notifications and updates directly in your Gmail, making it easier to stay informed about what's happening on your Facebook. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore more options within Facebook settings to enhance your online experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.